Janas Slimes, it's Janacraft33 plays. I hope you're excited for this video because I certainly am. So today we are going to be doing a DIY slime. Yes, we are. But we are going to be adding some foam beads and some glitter. The type of slime that we're going to be making is strawberry and blueberry slime, which is like blueberry and strawberry pie. Yes, it might sound gross, but I don't know. But we're actually just going to see what happens. So the beads that we're using are these. They're not the best beads, but I just decided to use them today. So we are going to be needing some contact lens solution, or you can use borax, but I use contact lens solution, baking soda, and school glue. I have a gallon. And, of course, your glitter and your beads. But I also have a bowl and a spoon, and you are allowed to add water. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're, of course, going to add our glue in. And for this time, I'm not going to add any coloring or anything. I'm just going to go with the flow. Okay. And this slime is going to be a little bit sticky, so the beads and the glitter can stick a whole lot better. Okay. So now we are going to take our contact lens solution and we are going to add it in. Okay, so now we're done with that. We're going to add our baking soda. I'm adding about 3 pinches with your finger. And then I'm going to take my spoon and mix that all together. And do not add too much baking soda. And also, if you guys didn't know this, Janas Slimes, that's what you guys are called. So you guys will become one of my slimes if you subscribe. Okay, so this is a really pretty white slime. Like, it's crazy. You guys can barely see because like the side is like. I need to find a better angle for you guys. But I was saying that we're in a different angle because my brother stopped playing Fortnite. And if you're wondering, did I already say about? Okay, I don't know. But, anyways, this Friday, I'm going to do another DIY video, but it's a DIY straw video. It's like, no, not DIY. Well, I guess it could be a DIY. Yes, a DIY straw, slime video. It's like, so you basically, I'm not going to give it away. But, and neither Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or something, I'm going to do another DIY video, which is a, like a mint slime DIY. This wasn't really supposed to be a DIY, but I made it to one because I guess you guys want to see what it looks like to have like a strawberry and blueberry pie. Okay. Trying to add that and mix again. And then I think we'll be good. Okay. Okay, this is good, but I'm gonna now add some glitter. So I'm going to add my blueberries. Pretty. You guys think that's pretty? I think it is. Like, look at that. I'm going to have a new satisfying video coming up very soon. Like, very soon. And I am going to do how to turn Aaron's Stinky Putty into slime. Just be patient. I'm going to order it soon. Probably next week I'm going to order it. So, yeah. Okay, I am very confused. Okay. I'm going to add my strawberries, which are these beads. Okay. Okay, so I'm having trouble here, but there we go. We are now going. Okay, let's get these little bead things. Okay, these are oh, I love this. Ooh. I don't want to put this in the slime. It's like cloud sort of. It does what I said with the foam bead slime. But these sometimes get on your hands with slime. I don't think I should add these in yet. It's not really slime yet. But, oh, it is slime. Forgot. Okay. We're going to add them in. This is not satisfying, probably, at all. Okay. This is actually pretty funny. This is cool. It's pretty. Ow! Wait, that didn't hurt. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. So after you're done doing this, you're just gonna want to leave with your hands, but I'm not doing that right now because I can't right now. Okay. Oh, I love this. This is so pretty. You are going to love the feeling. You need to add those exact beads. You can add like the other ones, you know, but like these are better for like. Never mind. Okay, but you can get the beads just so you can get the same texture as me. Because if you get the other ones, you might get a different texture and stuff. But this is literally everything right now. This world hasn't become anything besides now. Okay. And the glitter's not even getting on me. Surprise, surprise. There's glue at the bottom. I love this so much, guys. When am I going to do the ASMR? Oh, I found it. Little play kitchenette over there. I'm in my brother's room. Okay, guys, so I'll see you at the ASMR. Sorry, guys, I'm on this little play kitchen, but, you know. Okay, guys, that is literally, like, I love this slime so much. Like, it's so pretty. But if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm getting all the white out the bottom. I have to mix it in with this. Gorgeous. Okay. Okay. I literally just, like, I adore this slime. And I think you guys should do it because, like, it's so pretty. Feels so good. It looks like purple and pink, but this is my blueberry and strawberry slime. Let's do a nice swirl. Okay, now we're going to pretend like this is a pie. So we're just going to, like, do a swirl. What in the world was that? Okay, let's retry that. Retry. Well, it'll work. You guys should definitely try this out. Like, man. Makes such good noises. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and comment down below anything you want. Bye, Janas Slimes!